Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create an eBay seller account in the USA. Let's get started. Begin by going to your browser and search for eBay seller account. From here, go to Registering as Seller. Once you're on website, click on Sign up for eBay button. On this page, you'll see two options, personal and business accounts. While most people start with a personal account, which can be upgraded later, we'll choose the business account option. Enter your details, fill in your business name, business email address, and create a password. Set your location. Select USA as your business location. Choose your preference. For now, check the option labeled, I only want to buy. Finally, click Create Account. Next, after verifying your email, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. eBay will send a security code to this number to verify it. Keep in mind that while each eBay account requires a unique email address, the same phone number can be used for multiple accounts. Enter the code you received to complete this step. Once your phone number is verified, you will need to input your address. This is essential for shipping purposes. You can use either your home address or a PO box for added security. After entering your address, you'll be directed to eBay's Seller Hub. The Seller Hub is a central tool for managing your eBay selling activities. From here, you can access resources like the New Business Seller Guide and tutorials to help you get started. These include tips on listing items, understanding eBay's policies, and optimizing your account settings. One of the first things you may want to do is customize your account name. Navigate to your account settings and select Personal Information. Under Username, you'll see the default name assigned to your account. Click on Edit to change it to something that better represents you or your business. Remember, you can only change your username once every 30 days. After setting up your account, it's time to build some credibility. eBay does not differentiate between feedback from buying and selling. Consider purchasing a few inexpensive items to establish a positive feedback record. This will make your account appear more trustworthy to potential buyers. When you're ready to list your first item, go to the Seller Hub and click on Create a Listing. Use the search bar to find similar items to ensure your listing is competitive. Add detailed descriptions and high-quality photos to attract buyers. If this is your first listing, you will need to provide your payment details to receive payouts. eBay also offers additional features such as store subscriptions, which you can explore as your selling activity grows. However, for new sellers, a subscription is usually unnecessary until you have more than 250 listings. Take your time to learn the platform and utilize the free tools available. For added security, set up two-step verification in your account settings. This ensures that only you can access your account, even if someone else has your password. Additionally, download the eBay app to your phone for easy account management and notifications. Finally, familiarize yourself with eBay's communication preferences. You can customize the types of emails and notifications you receive. For example, you may want to disable marketing emails while keeping order updates enabled. With your account set up, you're ready to start listing and selling items. Be sure to explore additional resources on eBay to enhance your selling skills. That's it. Thank you for watching.